ClickFunnels is no longer just a landing page builder. This new ClickFunnels brings in an entire CRM, an online store, you can create your own online community, there is also a messaging tool, and more. But how good are they? I'll do a review and demo of each part and give you my honest opinion. So this new ClickFunnels is more than just a landing page builder, but they still focus on funnels, okay? So sales funnels are still the main core. Now, there's a couple of ways you can build a funnel. You could start by using their AI funnel builder. The AI will ask you a variety of prompts, and you just choose your options, and you can prompt it in terms of what type of copy you want it to generate in your sales funnel. And within about 5 minutes, you have an entire sales funnel built out with their AI. Now, I did a demo and review of their AI funnel builder. If you want to check it out, click the link in the top right-hand corner, or you can browse all of their templates. And they have tons of categories that you can choose from, but how good are their templates? So these are all of their lead funnel templates. I think they are designed really well, but I don't think they've added any new templates so far this year. But let's preview one of them. So I'm going to click on this. And if you like it, just click on Add to My Account. And once they install the funnel into your account, you can start editing each step. So let's edit the first step. I'm going to click on Edit. And you can hover over any element in this landing page to update it, change it, or remove it. So if I want to change the color of this button, I'm going to click on the gear icon. And we can go down to button style and click on override the button style. And I'm going to change the background to this gradient style that I created earlier. And it's that simple to change the button and anything else. You can also add additional elements as well. So if you click on add element, you can choose from all of these content types. You can add images, video, audio, a video pop-up. Of course, you can add a form. There is a checkout form and other elements as well. One thing about this new ClickFunnels is the style guide feature. So you can have predefined text, colors, borders, buttons, and once you change it here, all of these will be updated across your funnel. So say, for example, I want all of my headlines to be maybe a different font. So I'm going to select Lato and click on Update. And now all of my headlines have that new font. So very easy to do sweeping changes across your funnels. And you can easily add steps to your funnel by clicking on this plus icon and click on Page. And you could choose your template and find the template that you want. So now we added another step in our funnel. You can also attach workflows on any step of your sales funnel. So depending on where they land, you can send them a specific email, you can tag them, send a notification, or anything like that. And I'll show you the workflows in more depth in a moment. And you can do A/B testing as well. So you can click on split test, and 50% of your traffic will go to one page, and another 50% can go to another page that you create. So a very easy way to do A/B testing. Now, these templates are not too bad, but if you are anything like me, I'm always looking for new templates. So it's my goal to build out a repository of customized templates that I build out, and I want to share that repository with you. And the first one that I created is this squeeze page. Now, if you want free access to this squeeze page, click the link in my description and fill out this form, and I'll send over this squeeze page to you for free. And I'll also send you over to the One Funnel Away Challenge sign up page. Now, this One Funnel Away Challenge I took back in 2020, and it literally changed my business. I learned how to build out these templates, how to use ClickFunnels, and also how to sell and start my own online business. So I highly recommend you take this One Funnel Away Challenge. So if you fill out this form, you'll get this custom share funnel from me, and you'll also get the ability to sign up to this challenge. So aside from building out funnels, you can also add products as well, both physical and digital products. So this is one of my digital products. You can add your pricing here. If you have physical products, you can add your inventory and shipping information. And if you're selling something like t-shirts, you can add variants as well. And they recently partnered with Zendrop. So if you do any type of drop shipping, you can create your own Zendrop account, and you can choose to sell any of these physical products inside your ClickFunnels store. So very powerful. You don't need to create your own physical products. You can basically choose any of the products inside Zendrop. And you can manage your customers as well. So if anyone opts into your squeeze page or buys from you, they will be listed in your contacts page. And you can also keep track on all of your orders. You'll see how much you're making, how many orders you've received over the past time period, and you can view a list of all your orders below right here. So that's the main stuff of ClickFunnels, but with this new ClickFunnels 2.0, there are many more features. Now, each feature is called an app, and right now they have all of these apps available. So you can create and manage discounts for your products, create short links very similar to Bitly, and they have all of these additional apps as well that you can add to your ClickFunnels account. Now, all of these apps are optional, so you can tailor your ClickFunnels account to exactly what you need for your business. You can create an entire website with ClickFunnels as well. You can write blog posts, you can have individual site pages, and editing your site is exactly the same way how you would edit any of the sales funnels as well. So this is my website's homepage. Hi, I'm Ken, and yep, that pic is not me. But if you want to change anything, you can just hover over any element. You can set up the margins, the size, and the spacing. And for this specific button, we can change the button color like this. And aside from the homepage, you can update your storefront if you have a storefront. So this is your storefront, and all of your products will dynamically be listed right here. Depending on what you've uploaded into your account, you can update the look and feel of your main blog, homepage, your customer center, your course home, your 404 page not found page, and your coming soon page, and other pages as well. Now, if you want to see how well your sales funnels and website is doing, you could check out the analytics. You can see how many total opt-ins you've received over a certain time period, page views, and so forth. Now, one completely new feature of ClickFunnels is their appointments. So very similar to Calendly, okay? So you can create a variety of event types and share a link with others to book time with you. So in terms of the event types, you can do a one-on-one event, collective, round robin, and group events are coming soon. So this is my one-on-one event type. So you can preview the booking page. So it looks like this. They can choose any date they want, select the time, and add their contact details right here. So now you don't need Calendly. You can essentially use scheduling by ClickFunnels. And there's also automations. So I mentioned this earlier. So you can create automations and attach them to your sales funnels. And these are also email automations as well. So if someone opts in to your sales funnel, you can send them pre-created emails, put them in an email sequence, things like that. And they could be pretty advanced. So this is my webinar sequence workflow. So once the workflow triggers, I'll send them this registration confirmation. There will be a 5-minute delay, and then I'll send them another email to remind them of the webinar. And after 5 hours, I'll send them the replay video, so on and so forth. And I'll show you how the email builder works in a moment. There's also a community feature. So very similar to Circle or School, you can create your own community inside ClickFunnels. So communities are built out by various topics. So you can create a new topic in your community. And here is how it looks like. So this is my community, and there's different topics. So for this one, this is a post that I recently created. People can like it, people can comment on it. So very similar to Facebook groups, to Circle, and maybe a little bit of Discord as well. There's also countdown funnels. So you can create countdown timers and also countdown events if, say, for example, you have a webinar that's coming up. So you basically create the timers right here, and then you attach them to your sales funnel. So this is one I created a while back, and you can edit it however you want, change the display settings, change the labels, the background, and when the countdown expires. You can also embed this countdown in your emails as well. All you do is just copy this embed code and paste it in your emails. Now, one big feature are the courses. So you can create courses inside ClickFunnels. So there's three types of courses you can create. There's the simple course, the drip course, or custom. Now, this is one simple course I created the other day. And so your courses are organized by modules and lessons. And you can create as many modules as you want and as many lessons inside each module as well. And you can add anything you want to the lesson. So if you click on Edit Lesson, you can add the lesson image, the video, or even the audio file. And you can preview how the lesson page will look like as well. So your navigation is on the left and the video lesson is right here. And people can mark lesson as complete and go to the next lesson. And you can send emails as well. So these are your email broadcasts. So for this broadcast I sent out a while ago, you can see the revenue generated from this broadcast and also the performance. And this is how you can set up a new broadcast. So you can add your subject line here, pre-header, when you want to send out this broadcast. And in terms of designing the email, you can choose from a variety of email templates. And if you select one, you can load it up and you can change it however you want. You can change all types of content properties, and you can also use their AI to help you write as well. You can even have it help you correct grammar mistakes in the content. And here is the corrected text. So you can apply it if you wish or regenerate it. And in terms of the content elements, you can add images, buttons, video icons, GIFs, stickers, and so forth. And you can design the email exactly as you want by adding rows as well and update the additional settings like the background color, the default font, the default link color, and so forth. Okay, and there's also landing pages. So landing pages are different than sales funnels because these landing pages are one-off pages that are connected to your website. And what's really cool about these landing pages is that whenever someone lands on a specific page, you can set up automations. So say, for example, if someone lands on my homepage, if they opt in, visit, or have a page view, we can set up an automation. So if they visit my page, we can choose an effect, like maybe send them a message, trigger a workflow, add or remove a contact tag, and so forth. So a great way to manage all of your customers and communicate with them effectively. There's also Message Hub. So this one is where you can add a chatbot to your website and communicate with anyone who visits it. You could view all of your conversations here, and you can chat with people in this view right here. And if you're working with a team, you can add conversation actions, like assign them to someone else in your team to communicate with them. So if you're doing any type of customer service, this is a great feature that you can use. And if you've finished communicating with them and resolved their issues, you can click on Resolve. So this conversation is resolved. You can also connect your other chat inboxes. So you can choose the provider you want to integrate with Message Hub. Okay, so you can integrate it with your website, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, email, if you have an API, Telegram, and also Line. So a variety of ways you can communicate with your customers. And there's also the opportunities feature. So very similar to the big CRMs out there and even high level. So whenever someone opts in, you can have them become a new lead. And depending on what they do on your website or sales funnel, you can automatically move them to a hot lead, or someone from your team can manually move them as well to make sure that people are going through the sales process and turning into customers. And there's also a store. So kind of similar to Shopify, but not as advanced. So you can add your store to your website and sell physical products. And again, you can add products from Zendrop to do drop shipping. And these are high-level stats of your store. There's also survey workflows. So you can create a survey to ask people questions, and even create a quiz as well. So this is one of the surveys that I created, and it's in this kind of flow style. So this is the first question, and there's three different question types. You can do a single select, a multi-select, or a input. And for this first question, it's a single select. So this is my question, and these are my two options. And after they answer the first question, they'll be taken to the second question, which is a multi-select, and they can select from any of these options right here. But I think this really should be a single select. So you can update that and click on Save Changes. And depending on how they answer, you can manage rules. So if you click on Add Rule, whenever this specific question gets answered and is equal to maybe a specific answer, you can click on Save, and you can redirect them to a specific URL outside of your website or sales funnel, or you can redirect them to a page or to a specific funnel. And lastly, there is Payments AI. So Payments AI is basically ClickFunnels' version of Stripe. So Payments AI is a different website. So you add your bank information, and any sales you make inside ClickFunnels will automatically get recorded in Payments AI, and that profit will be sent over to your bank account. So this is ClickFunnels. So if you want more templates than what ClickFunnels currently gives you, make sure to click the link in my description, fill out this form, and I'll give you this free custom share funnel that I created that you can use to generate leads for your business. And I'll slowly be creating new funnels that you can use as well. And if you fill out this form, I'll send you over to the One Funnel Away Challenge sign up page where you can sign up to this challenge, where you can learn more in depth of how to use ClickFunnels and how to start your own business and start making money online. Now, if you enjoyed this ClickFunnels review and demo, let me know by hitting that like button and also subscribing to my channel. If you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.